Slivor VisioEar is marketed as an innovative ear cleaning tool designed to safely and effectively remove earwax using advanced technology, including a built-in camera for visibility. While it promises a hygienic and pain-free solution, many are left wondering if it's legit or just another scam. Some users appreciate the device's design, claiming it provides a clear view of the ear canal and helps them clean more thoroughly than traditional methods. It also appeals to those who value at-home convenience and tech-driven solutions. However, there are concerns about its safety and practicality. Critics point out that inserting any device into the ear can pose risks, especially without professional guidance. Others report issues with the camera quality, discomfort during use, or difficulty operating the tool effectively. Additionally, the high price tag raises questions about whether it's worth the investment compared to safer alternatives like visiting a healthcare professional. In a nutshell, while Slivor VisioEar offers a unique approach to ear cleaning, its potential risks and inconsistent performance make it hard to fully endorse. Proceed with caution and prioritize professional advice for ear care. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.